And then, so did you get your master's or anything?
No, I studied business administration, and I emphasized in accounting and information systems. Uh,
Okay.
I thought I was going to go work for one of the top accounting firms. I interviewed for Ernst and Young at the time. It
Really?
was the big eight: Ernst and Young,
Uh-huh.
Price Waterhouse, Deloitte and Touche, and uh, Arthur Anderson. I was actually rejected by Ernst and Young, and my backup plan was go work for Hewlett Packard out of Colorado Springs. And you know what? It drove me nuts. It just drove me nuts because I really wanted to work for an accounting firm. But when parents raised us on 13 grand, I was making 48. So I thought I
Right.
had made it,
Yeah.
and life was good. A year later, I ended up quitting Hewlett Packard and going to work for Deloitte and Touche, which was a rival of Ernst and Young, and I was making close to 80 grand a year.
And this is at 24, 25?
I was 23, 24. Yeah.
Wow.